Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our previous video, we learned the basic parts of speech and completed our first part of speech, noun. So if you haven't watched that video yet, you can watch it after this one. And now moving ahead to our second part of speech, pronoun. But what exactly is a pronoun? Why do we need pronoun in English? And how can you use them correctly in everyday English? Don't worry guys, in this video we are going to understand pronoun from basic to advanced level with simple explanation and easy example. So let's begin with the second parts of speech, pronoun. What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that we use instead of noun. In simple Hindi we can say noun के बदले में यूज होने वाले शब्द को वर्ड को प्रोनाउन कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राहुल इज माई फ्रेंड, राहुल इज माई वेरी हेल्पफुल. So instead of repeating Rahul, we can say Rahul is my friend, he is very helpful. Here he replaced Rahul. So Rahul equal to noun, he pronoun. Some common pronouns are I, we, you, he, she, it, they, me, him, her, us, them. And there are 7 type of pronoun. Let's understand them one by one. So the first pronoun is personal pronoun, and personal pronoun are those words which we use instead of person or thing's name, so we don't have to repeat the same name again and again. For example, Rahul is a student, Rahul studies English. So instead of repeating Rahul, we can say Rahul is a student, he studies English. Here he is a personal pronoun, and personal pronoun are mainly used for different person. For example, I am learning English, I am learning English. For yourself you can say I am learning English. You, for the person you are talking to, you are very smart. He, for male person, he is my brother. She, for female person, like she is my friend. It, for a thing or animal, it is a beautiful car, it is a beautiful TV. And we, for yourself and other, like we are learning English. They for two or more than two people or things, they are my friends. So always remember, personal pronoun are I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Next we have important pronoun is object pronoun. And object pronoun is a pronoun which receive the action of verb and comes after preposition. And the main object pronoun are me, you, him, her, it, us and them. Let's understand with example. For me, she called me. Here me received the action of called. You, I helped you. Him, I saw him at the market. Her, we invited her to the party. It, I bought it yesterday. Us, they helped us. Them, she know them. Here is an easy trick to remember. I, me, he, him, she, her, we, us, they, them. For example, she helped I. Wrong. She helped me. So remember, always object pronoun usually receive the action. Then we'll have our third pronoun, possessive pronoun. And possessive pronoun are those words that we use to talk about ownership, like mine, yours, his, hers, ours, their. All of these are possessive pronoun. For example, this book is mine. It's mean this book belong to me. Another example, this pen is your, which means this pen belong to you. That car is his. This bag is hers. This house is ours. Those books are theirs. Let's remember, mine belongs to me, your belongs to you, their belongs to them, his belong to he, hers belong to she, ours belong to we. Then we have our fifth pronoun, demonstrative pronoun. These are words like this, that, these, those. We use them to a point at people or things. This used for the one thing that is near. This is my phone, this is my pen. That we can use that for one thing that is far. That is my house, that is my car. These use these for multiple things that are near. These are my books, these are my clothes. And those can be used for multiple things that are far. Those are my shoes, those are my chairs. And now comes our another interesting pronoun, reflexing pronoun. These include myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourself, themselves. We use them when the subject and object refer to the same person or people. For example, I hurt myself. The person doing the same, doing the action and receiving the action is the same. Another example, she taught herself English. He introduced himself. We enjoyed ourselves. They prayed themselves. You may also hear I did it myself. Here, myself emphasize that I did it without someone else doing it. And now comes our sixth pronoun, that is interrogative pronoun. And interrogative pronoun we commonly use to ask ups like questions. For example, who, whom, whose, which, what. For example, who are you, who is your teacher, whose book is this, which is your bag, what is your name. These words especially you help us to ask questions. And finally, we have our last category of pronoun, indefinite pronoun. And these refer to people or things without saying exactly who or what. Example include someone, somebody, anybody, everyone, nobody, something, nothing. For example, someone is calling you. In this sentence, we don't know who exactly is calling, but someone is calling you. Everyone is happy. Nobody know the answer. I need something. I need something to eat. Is anybody there? These are very common in everyday English. And now let's take a look at some common mistake that's beginner make. First, don't say me am a student. Say I'm a student because I used as the subject. Second, don't say him is my friend. Say he is my friend. Third, don't say she like he. Say she likes him because after the verb like we need the object pronoun. And let's quickly revise everything. I, you, he, she, it, we, they, these are common subject pronoun. And me, you, him, her, it, us, them, these are object pronoun. Mine, your, his, hers, our, theirs, these show possession. These talk about ownership. These, that, these, those, these are demonstrative pronoun. Myself, ourself, himself, herself, themselves, these are reflexing pronoun. And who, whom, whose, which, what are common interrogative pronoun that we use to ask question about. Now it's practice turn. Now it's your turn. Practice time. Rahul is my friend. Is very helpful. These books belong to me. It is. I saw Ria yesterday. I talked to. So now you know what a pronoun is and how we use different type of pronoun in English. Remember the most important definition, a pronoun is a word used instead of noun. For example, Rahul is a student, he is intelligent. Here he replaced Rahul. So if you found this lesson helpful, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy and simple English lesson. And here's your homework, write 5 sentences using different pronouns in the comment, and I'll see you in the next lesson.